Has cannabis helped you with your overall health and wellness?
Yes, absolutely.
Cannabis has helped a lot. For me, it helped loosen me up, bringing anxiety levels down, stress levels down, and it helped me chill out. That's what it is. To be honest, before this, I was an angry guy. Seryoso, I'm always angry, always stressed. After end of the day, uwi ka parang burat ka na. I go home, I'm tired. Take a little puff. Sit down. You feel better. You smile. When I work out, I can do heavier stuff kasi I feel less pain. And, however, I don't recommend it kasi it could be dangerous. You just have to be smart, you don't do anything crazy. Pero I find it that your body repairs a lot faster. It heals a lot faster. Instead of having delayed muscle soreness for 2-3 days, you only have it for a few hours. You can move better. Parang ano lang, it's just applying what it can do to your daily activities and using it, harnessing it, diba? Like sabi mo kanina, parang if you know how to smoke and control your vibe, diba? Use it to your benefit. You're always smiling, you're always happy.
I stress a lot with my regular work. As soon as I get home, I'll use marijuana, I'll have a joint, a bowl, whatever I have to do. Depending how stressed I am, I smoke more, I smoke less. Sometimes I just don't at all. But for the most part, it keeps me calm, gets me calmed down, stop thinking about work. I'm home now. Recently, I fell from the ceiling at work. I love work.
That's why you were limping.
Yes, but as you can see right now,
Yeah.
I don't have a crutch. It's because we've been high as hell all day.
Yeah. Helps
So,
with the pain.
another reason to smoke marijuana, to use marijuana, is to relieve my pain, my swelling.
In my case, sa akin, it's pains and sleeping.
Yeah.
Relaxation. Yeah.
So instead of using chemical pills in your prescription, you'd rather...
Yeah, I don't, I make my own, ginger, I dry it, I mince it. Things like that.
Yes.
Yeah, natural, even before.
With
Oh,
turmeric.
yeah, I mix it. I take those.
Oh, yes.
Garlic, it's just the smell of garlic, but the benefits of garlic is great.
Yeah, I still like garlic.
I have a very tiny personal, like a rosin presser. So I do that. After I use it, I separate the oil and then, I cook it.
Thank you so much for hanging out with us. And again, I'm Julie.
I'm Liza.
We'll see you again.